All right, everybody. This is an '09 Flex. We just finished the timing chain work on the car, and everything's running great. I got screwed from the Ford dealer on advice on the coolant, so I'm changing coolants. He gave me the regular green, not the specialty green, and enough of the colors and all of that. I'm not dealing with that. So I'm pulling out this old regular green coolant. And anyway, what I was going to do is make you a quick video, because while I was doing this job, I had noticed that I broke my tabs, okay, on the trim on this front cowling piece here. And the tabs break way up under here. They break here and here, if you can see those. And then they break on this piece here. So I went ahead and changed this one just a minute ago, and there was a couple of tricks that I did. So I saw, you know what, I'll make a quick video to help you guys out, and I'll kind of show you how this comes off, so you don't, at least try not to break these. It's old plastic. This is an '09, so you're going to get this stuff to happen. But so we're going to take care of the other side right now and change that one out. Let's do that one together. So, and we look at the different pieces in here. These parts are kind of intertwined in here with the fender. You can see this metal piece there. That's actually part of the front fender section. So to get this piece out, this piece of plastic we're pointing to right here, that's actually part of the headlight housing. I'm not going to pull all that apart and pull that out to pull this out. So I'm just going to show you how I dealt with that little piece of fender there. So let's take these apart. So we have some Torx for these two. You do need to take this one. I just replaced this one, but to take this one out, you got to take this one out too. Okay, so this is just a 10 millimeter here. Piece of cake. I apologize if you guys get dizzy. I got the head mount on the GoPro. It's my first time trying this one, so okay. Take that one out. Then we'll talk a little bit about the cowling, how that happens. Let's see. Then I need my T25, a little bit bigger for this one. So there's two of them. One is in here. Let me look at my video, make sure you guys are seeing this okay. I have a little 1/4 inch extension piece in there. I got a light, one of those Milwaukee headlamps above my GoPro. If you saw what I look like, you'd laugh like hell. Let's see. And then there's another one up here. Let's see if you guys can see that. There we go. Okay, so this one comes out. Okay, and then there's another 10 up front here. All right, taking that nut out there. Then, okay, so on the front of this piece here, you have it's like a little snap-in. So this lip here belongs to our piece. This piece here, this bottom piece, that belongs to the headlight housing. So you're going to lift it up. It's not easy, but you're going to lift it up and work it out. And you can push a little bit from the back. Just be careful. It's old plastic. We don't want to break anything. There we go. All right, so we got that out. You see we're looking good here? Now, let's come over here to our other side. Okay. Got our pick. Pull that spread piece. Take this out. Okay, now, you see what we're left with? You see our fender piece here. This, and this doesn't come out because it goes around this little star-shaped piece here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that fender piece here, take my trim piece up under here, pull that out. You got to bend it out a little bit to get it out. See? You see the shape of that? If you guys can zoom in, maybe I can bring it up closer. There you go. Let's go get our new one. Let's see. The new one. I think these were from Rock Auto. You can save a lot of money. Okay. Cross piece here. Let me hold this up. And you see how it's got a little bit of a little lip here. Okay, and that was the piece that we were prying in. Okay, so let's take this, get my body in position here. Okay, get our piece in here, pull this fender back a little bit. There we go. Once you get it in the cross piece, then you can wiggle it and everything will kind of be in place there. So that's the first piece to get in. Okay. All right, so we're going to get that snapped in. There we go. It's not much to get it in there. Everything looks nice and lined up. Okay, and we'll put our bolt in. Now I don't like to crank things down quite yet. Obviously, we want to get all of our screws in nicely before we crank anything down. Okay. Okay. Oh, my head's going sideways on you guys. There's got an alignment pin there that goes in that hole right there. Okay. And so that goes in there. There's our little spreader piece before. And it's not exactly a tight spring fit once you get it out a couple times. And so then we have our bolt, which is here. And that one. Okay, and we have our T20, which goes in this one. Okay. Okay, snug. Good. So now, solid plastic there. Got our two plastic grabs there. Now, what do those connect to? Let's look at the fender. And we have, see these holes here? And then we have these two pieces here, 3 and 4. Okay, so when we put this inside to get this off, you'd be prying down a little bit to get these off. On the right side, so you see that tab right there? And there's another tab right there. Kind of hard. Those two tabs were those two holes on this. Here and here. Okay, that's what they're going in. These grabs and these grabs, okay, those things are going at here and here. And then that continuous one here, here, and here. So just get yourself a cheap set of trim tools, just like these, and you'd come in to the fender and push down. It's going to push that tab down, push down. It's going to push that tab down, and then these also. Okay, here and here. Then it's going to wiggle out, and it's going to pop a little bit when it comes out. But hopefully you can survive, because when you need to drain your coolant, you're undoing the drain plug down below on this side. And in fact, if I can show it to you, it's right here. Get some light in there. There it is. It's light colored. You can see it tapping on that. That's it right there. Okay, 3/4 inch wrench, took that off. I could have probably found a metric piece, but my metrics didn't seem to fit that good. And then it drains out of a hole on this side right here. So once you undo that, okay. So we'll gear up to put the fender on. All you got to disconnect, of course, are your driving lamps if you have driving lamps when you're pulling this off. And then there's a couple of simple bolts up top here. I took out the ones that Ford had. You know, here's your 2 bolts here and on this side here. And then these holes here, these 4 holes here, if you can see these, I put, I bought on Amazon, you know, it's one of these trim kits where, you know, your fastener kits, and it has a whole bunch of assortments. These worked really good. I like these. I think these were on GM cars. And just pull this pin up and then pop it right out. These were easier. Okay. So let's get this coolant taken care of, redrain, refill, warm it up, and then get the fender on. And hopefully this will help you out with those trim parts next time you might have to take yours off. Good luck, everybody.